Let's talk about the process of adding negative keywords to your ad groups or your campaigns. I'm going to use the Home Reserve AdWords account as an example. So we're in the Google AdWords Home Reserve campaign dashboard. I'm going to come over here to the Love Seats campaign and the Love Seats ad group. And let's just look for the search terms that people have been using over the last 30 days that have fired these ads. Obviously, there's a lot of Love Seat related keywords. Let's say I wanted to add some negative keywords. The normal process is I'd come in here and make a selection and then add as negative keyword. And you can see that whole phrase is in here. So I've got to come in here and I have to clean it up. I have to get rid of the brackets there. And then I've got to come in here and clean up the rest of it because maybe I just want to use Sumter there as the negative, and then I could save it there. Anyway, that's kind of when you have a lot of search terms to go through. Like here, you can see there's just hundreds of them. That gets kind of a little complicated to going through here. Say add as negative, and now I gotta clean these things up. If I only want the wheat field negative, then I gotta delete that, and then delete the rest of this. And again, I showed you on the Sumter one, get rid of the rest of this in here, and then click the save, and they'd be added to either the ad group level or the campaign level. And you can see if I had a lot of words to go through, this would get kind of cumbersome. And I explained to you in the cinnamon roll store example, sometimes you do want to use broad terms, but then you immediately have to go in and do a lot of negative keyword additions. And maybe sometimes, like if you were using the broad term donut, I mean, there'd be thousands and thousands of negative keywords that you would need to use in order to limit that broad exposure on the word donuts down to just things that might be effective for cinnamon rolls. So let me show you another way here that you can add negatives to either the ad group or the campaign or to negative lists.